Nice. And the hitch. Hitching it. That clevis is big enough, eh?
This the guy here?
Yeah.
I ordered them on eBay. I got 4 of them for like $50 or something.
Worth it. See if this Jeep can do the deal. It's also like chained to the tree, right? And hopefully that tree doesn't come down, but
I don't think it will.
it could.
Hard crash stuff.
Ah, shit. All right. There he comes. There he comes. There he comes. Well, that's a deep hole, boys. Coming from a deep place of hell. Yeah. Straighten your wheel out. Yeah. No, right there. Right there. Amazing. Gee, dig into China here. That's a 10,000 pound truck too. Whoa! Hold up.
I know.
Throwing it right out. Yep. Tightening it up right here. There we go. Straighten your wheels. Nice and slow. Yep. Slow. Slow. Wait, you're binding up. It has to be on this side. You're binding it. Okay?
I'm good. I just got my truck stuck in it.
It's a nice setup right there.
Hold on 1 second.
Si, senor. We're digging her out. Follow the strap. Back to the Jeep. And there's the bad spot where the big GMC was stuck all morning. Si, senor. Sometimes we lose a car. That was lost a couple of years ago. That old 66 Start. Another victim of the hole. Si, no piano. Now she's coming. Now she's coming. Came from there. And there's the car in the mud pit. All rusted. The 2 front tires move, they roll, but the back tire is locked up. And we got some mud going on here, guys. Because this place doesn't drain out right, so you'll go down 2 feet at least. Fun on the farm. It's no bueno. Si, amigos, por favor, ¿cómo está? This old rusty crusty. The guy gave up after 5 hours of sweating in the mud. Pieces of the car. One that didn't make it out, the old 66. They took an F350 out a few years ago. They're gonna come for it eventually. We had to work it through the mud, boys. No piano. Air conditioning. filled up.